Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle of smoke. First, let's gather our materials and set the scene. You'll want to find a calm spot, free from drafts, as air movement can easily disrupt your smoke rings. A good smoke source is essential. Many people use vapes or e-cigarettes, but even an incense stick can work. Make sure you have a consistent and ample supply of smoke ready to go. Now, let's prepare your mouth. The key is to create a small, firm O shape with your lips, almost like you're about to say O. Next, draw a good amount of smoke into your mouth and throat, but don't inhale it into your lungs. Keep your tongue flat and positioned towards the back of your mouth. This helps create a chamber for the smoke and prepares it for release. This is where the magic happens. To release a smoke ring, you'll use a quick, gentle push of air from your throat, almost like a tiny cough or a silent ah. It's crucial not to exhale with your lungs or move your jaw, as this will just blow the smoke out. Focus on short, controlled puffs. Imagine you're gently flicking the smoke out with a subtle throat movement. Making perfect smoke rings takes practice, so don't get discouraged if your first attempts aren't flawless. Experiment with slightly different mouth shapes and varying the pressure of your throat push. Pay attention to how the smoke behaves and adjust accordingly. With consistent effort and a bit of patience, you'll soon be creating beautiful, well-formed smoke rings with ease. Keep trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.